An economy flourishes when there's a lot of business transaction which happens. Business generation, revenue generation, a lot of people buying materials, a lot of selling happening now. Businesses are primarily being run by entrepreneurs who take the risk of venturing, who go about developing products, who smartly innovate services and make sure that your and my life is much more comfortable. Are you an entrepreneur? If so, I welcome you to this particular session of mine, where I will be able to give you a complete understanding as to how do you ensure that you have a consistent sales generation happening in your business. More important, you need to have a clarity between what is sales and what is marketing. How do we ensure that marketing helps us to assist and support sales generation? And more important, if we have to ensure and get a revenue on a consistent basis, do we need to adopt a method of inbound sales or an outbound sales to make sure that we grow on a month-on-month basis? Hello, my name is Harish Iyer. I am the founder and CEO of the company called Impact 360 Business Consulting Group. Now, in the next few sessions of mine, you will get a clarity as to what and how you should be doing your business henceforth. So welcome to the program called the Business Learning Program.